Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on building a data warehouse from scratch. Whether you're a novice or an experienced data engineer, this guide is designed to help you understand the principles and the step-by-step process involved in creating an efficient data warehousing system. In this tutorial, we will cover the following key areas: understanding what a data warehouse is, the architecture of a data warehouse, the ETL process, and implementing a simple data warehouse using Java. First, let's understand what a data warehouse is. A data warehouse is a centralized repository for storing large volumes of data collected from different sources. It allows for efficient querying and reporting, enabling organizations to make informed decisions. The typical architecture of a data warehouse consists of three layers: the data source layer, the data warehouse layer, and the front-end layer. Let's break these down. 1. Data source layer. This layer consists of databases and other sources of raw data. It could include operational databases, flat files, or cloud storage. The data here is often unstructured or semi-structured. 2. Data warehouse layer. In this layer, data from the source layer is transformed and loaded into the warehouse. The data is structured and optimized for analytical queries. 3. Front-end layer. This layer involves the tools and applications used to query the data warehousing system. These tools may include business intelligence applications and reporting tools. Next, let's discuss the ETL process, which stands for extract, transform, and load. This is a crucial process in data warehousing where we extract data from source systems, transform it into a desired format, and then load it into the data warehouse. The first step is extract. Data is pulled from various sources. Let's do a simple example in Java using JDBC to extract data from a relational database. In this code snippet, we establish a connection to a MySQL database, execute a SQL query to extract all customer data, and print it to the console. Make sure to add the MySQL connector dependency in your project. The next step is transform. During transformation, we clean the extracted data. We might wish to filter out duplicates, change the data format, or aggregate information. Here's an illustrative transformation example written in Java. In this transformation example, we have a method that removes duplicate customers based on their email addresses. Finally, we have the load step, where we load the transformed data into the data warehouse. Let's write a simple Java method that performs an insert operation. This loader method connects to the data warehouse and inserts the customer data into the customer table. Make sure to replace the connection URL and credentials as per your database configuration. Now that we have implemented the basic ETL process, let's put it all together in a main method to accomplish the full flow from extraction to loading. Here, we extract customer data using the data extractor, transform it using the data transformer, and finally load it into the data warehouse using data loader. Ensure the class names and methods match what you have in your project. As a best practice, always try to add logging to your ETL processes. It's important to know what's happening at each step. You might also want to consider scheduling your ETL jobs. Tools like Apache Airflow can be very useful for this purpose, providing the ability to define a complex workflow, managing dependencies, and scheduling tasks. Now that you have implemented a basic data warehouse in Java, consider enhancing the system by incorporating additional features like incremental loading or implementing more complex transformations. To sum up, we have covered how to build a data warehouse and implemented a simple approach using Java. You learned about the architecture, the ETL process, and wrote code to extract, transform, and load data. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let me know in the comments what other topics you would like us to cover regarding data warehousing or other related technologies. Thank you for watching, and happy coding! Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.